Hello everyone. Today we're doing something very close to real-world cybersecurity. This is not about exploring a server or getting a shell. This is about thinking like a SOC analyst. What we're going to do right now is we are going to investigate a suspicious email received by a sales executive. An email he wasn't expecting, by the way, with money already transferred, an attachment that was never requested. That's already 3 red flags, so let's break down step by step. What's the transfer reference number listed in the email subject? So we got it here in the subject. Easy. These ones are easy questions, by the way. As you already know, I'm learning. I'm not an expert hacker right now, so maybe I get stuck in simple questions. This is because I'm maybe asking ChatGPT or just looking for some information on Google, whatever. Like for example, this one, because I thought it was the email, but it was just the name. So Mr. Jackson, there you go. What is the email? To know the email address, okay, it's here. Okay, who will receive this email? I thought what I thought was the same email, but it was not, by the way. Okay, I thought it was this one. Nope. Okay, what's the originating IP? To know the IP, we need to go to the HTML. So we go to more, view source, and here just we need to look for an IP. And I thought it was this one because received from, and we've been asked about originating IP, so I thought it was this one, but it was not. Nope. So I'm looking for another IP. I'm taking time here. I'm using TryHackMe machine, TryHackMe virtual machine, and it's kinda slow. It's kinda lagged, by the way, because it's a virtual machine from a server, so it's kinda slow. So maybe I'm giving an order. It takes time. Okay, there you go. This is the originating IP. Who's the owner of the originating IP? Okay, so to know the originating IP, what we need to do is go to whois from internet or whatever, and so we copy them. Is that working? Okay, we need to copy the domain, go to whois, and we will know the name of the registered domain. So hostwinds.com, not the correct answer, same thing here. So we need to go to whois, some page in Google. I'm using GoDaddy because GoDaddy always works, but I don't know why it's not working now. Because no name, no organization, no phone, no fax, no anything. Just we got a name, Namecheap Inc. But Namecheap Inc. is not working. So I see GoDaddy has no info or not a lot of information. So I'm going to try another tool that works in these cases. So we copy the domain, we paste the IP. There we go, IP hostwinds. We already got that name, so we're gonna try this name. but I think what we are looking for is Hostwings LLC. There we go. What is the SPF DMARC? The SPF and DMARC. Okay, we got these questions here. Okay, so we're gonna use another tool. We can get this info on the console on commands. Well, can do it. So we're gonna use tools. Okay, there we go. Because I'm looking for the path. It seems okay, not working. I'm looking for the path in the source code, but it's not on source code, so I think we will have to use the tool. Okay, there we go. We just had to remove DMARC, SPF, DKI, EM. Okay, so copy paste. Okay, not working. Why not working? Why is not working? Oh, because this is not SPF. Okay, SPF and DMARC. DMARC it's here. Copy paste. There we go. What's the name of the attachment? Okay, we have, this is easy. We got the attachment on the email, so we go and we find, I'm gonna find the source. It's easy. I already got the source open, so we're gonna find the attachment here. Okay, there we go. SWT 09. Okay, there we go. Copy paste. What's the SHA-256? We can do here a few things. We can get the SHA-256 on the command console, or we can go to VirusTotal, whatever. But you need to download the attachment on your laptop on the virtual machine and try. As you can see, it's so lagged. I give an order, it takes like minutes to take that. It's so slow, but I'm paying premium, so I'm gonna use it anyway. It's easy. It's the easiest way to do things. Okay, let's clear this. Okay, we can get that now. Of course. Okay, there we go. Okay, what's the attachment file source? Okay, so we go to properties and we just see it says it's 400 kilobytes, but it's not correct. Let's see. Let's go to properties. So maybe we missing something. 400.3. Let's try. Nope, not working. Let's copy paste this. Let's try. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to VirusTotal, format and size, everything should be on VirusTotal. So we're gonna try. We copy paste SHA. There we go. 426 kilobytes. There we go. The file extension attachment. It's let's go details RAR. Okay, it's a RAR, yeah. And that's it. And we finished the Greenholt Phish complete on TryHackMe. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.